Hello everyone, this is Justin from 2866 Robotics, and in this video I'd like to clarify on a point that I made 2 videos ago, because I don't think I made it across very clearly. And that is the difference between doing if, and then if again, not that, if, and if, versus doing if, and then else if. And you might think that these are extremely similar, and you might think that they do the same thing, but they do different things. And I feel like the does not equal will show you a much more clear example of this. So let's say we have int x and x equals 5. We could check if x isn't equal to 7, and then we could check if x isn't equal to 8. Obviously, 5 is not 7, and 5 is not 8, so both of these would print. So let's say some dot out dot print ln x is not 7. And for this one, let's print x is not 8, and both of these would print. So if we do this, if x isn't 7, x isn't 7. If x isn't 8, x isn't 8. And there we go. I forgot to do print line, so they printed on the same line, but you can see that x isn't 7, x isn't 8. But what if we only wanted to check, or at least return one of these? So if x isn't 7, then only do x isn't 7. But if x isn't 7, but if x is 7, but also isn't 8, then it would call both of them. What I'm trying to say is that if we did else if, this would only print one of them, because it already checked if x equals 7 isn't equaling 7, so that means it doesn't check anything else that's in the else statement, so it only prints that. However, if x equals 7, then it would move past here, and then it would check this. But then we could be like, x isn't 9. This would only print x isn't 8, because we check 7, it is 7, so it moves on. Is it 8? No, it isn't 8, and then it calls this. But then it won't call the last one, because it already called the middle one.